How to change the language in PhotoMath app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, you don't need to sign up or log into your any accounts. When you launch the app, it will directly open up the camera and you can easily scan the math problems that you want to solve. Now, in order to change the language in this PhotoMath app, what you need to do is you need to access its settings. Over here, when you launch the app, you'll see this kind of app interface. Now in the top left corner, you can see the 3 lines icon. Tap on it. A settings menu will pop up like this. At the top, you can see the language option. You can simply tap on it. Now it will prompt you with a list of languages that you can select from. There are various languages, you can go through it. And in order to change the language, you can simply choose the language you want to change it to. Tap on your preferred language and select this done option. And there you go, the language of this PhotoMath app has been successfully changed. If you want to change it to other language, you can follow the same process. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.